Hello, my friends. Hey, this is Rob Rosa, hopefully your favorite real estate broker. And we are going to talk today about you maintaining your mortgage with confidence and having peace of mind. Here are the 3 ways to maintaining your mortgage and having a Zen-like balance and feeling good about things. Number 1, make sure you budget wisely. Create a realistic budget that includes your mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, savings, and all your needs in order to live your life. Number 2, make sure that you have an emergency fund, because these things are important to deal with unexpected expenses like home repairs and a job loss. And number 3, make your mortgage payments on time. Avoid those late fees, maintain a good credit score, and let's talk about more. Let's talk about you reviewing your finances regularly. You need to know what's going on with your mortgage terms, your interest rates, and you might even need to refinance if your payments are too high. Number 5, reduce debt. Pay down high interest debt like those credit cards and personal loans, because that will definitely increase your overall financial health. Lower debt levels make you a stronger borrower. And number 6, understand your mortgage, understand the potential penalties and some of the things that might hurt you in the long run. Now, the last 4 items are very important. Number 7, maintain your credit score. Monitor it, understand it, know what's going on with it. If you need help with that, I help people every day on their credit reports. It helps them to save money on their interest rates, their insurance, and more. Number 8, plan for changes. Let's think there might be an addition to the family, and that's always a big joy. Number 9, seek professional advice. I have a guy, that's right. I have a financial advisor, I have mortgage specialists that they can help you every step of the way. And number 10, practice financial mindfulness. Cultivate mindful spending habits. Prioritize your financial goals, make it important, and then regularly assess things. Of course, if you ever need any help, you want to talk more about what you need to do, I'm only a phone call away. This is Rob Rosa. God bless you, and we'll talk to you soon.